Basalt isn't a fertilizer, it's a slow-release rock mineral that rebuilds your soil. Most growths don't fail because they're missing NPK, they fail because the soil's mineral bank account is empty. Basalt rock dust is loaded with silica, calcium, magnesium, iron, and a wide spectrum of trace elements. It's not as quick as salts. These minerals unlock over time through biology, roots, and natural weathering. This means stronger structure, better aggregation, and more resilient plants that handle stress better. And unlike a lot of trendy inputs, basalt also comes with a lot of measurable long-term upsides. It supports soil rebuilding instead of chasing short-term spikes. Here's the rule. Basalt is a foundation tool. Use it to mineralize early, pre-plant, in-bed prep, or top dress ahead of rain, especially on sandy, depleted, or acidic soils. If you want faster growth today, buy fertilizer. If you want better soil for the next 5 seasons, build it with basalt.